Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make comeback sauce. Cue the music. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much for being here today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down to that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, like I said, we're going to be making comeback sauce. This has got a lot of ingredients. I'm going to put the measurements for everything down in the description box, but there's a lot of stuff here, so here we go. I'm going to list them off. We got 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of chili sauce, not Thai sauce, but chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion salt, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and the juice of 1 lemon. Alright, we're going to head over here. We're going to measure this all out as we're going, and we're going to mix this up and see what it tastes like. Alright, our ingredients are all lined up over here in order of the way I'm going to use them. So I got my measurements are right here in front of me, off camera, but I will need the measurements here because it's got to be exact. Here's our bowl, large enough to mix everything in. This is going to yield 1 pint. I think this bowl is big enough, and then of course we got our whip to whip it all up. So I'm going to start adding all this up. 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of chili sauce. Remember not to use the Thai chili sauce. You want to use the kind of sauce that you put in cocktail sauce. 1/4 cup of that. We got a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, teaspoon of onion salt, 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire. Let me shake this up first. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire. We got a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Tabasco, the juice of 1 lemon, no seeds, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now you just mix this up. There is our sauce, comeback sauce, inspired by Greek immigrants down in Mississippi area from the little bit of research that I did on this sauce. But we're going to set this up, take some awesome photos of it for social media, put those pictures into the timeline of this video with some groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Well, there's the sauce. Here's a cracker that I dipped in there with some of that sauce on there. Let's see what this tastes like. Right away I'm getting the creaminess of the mayonnaise. The hit of that chili sauce is in there. The Tabasco, the heat coming from that. There's some kind of vinegar coming out of there. I'm not sure where that's from. But the oil keeps it all together, emulsifies it together. Let me get another bite of this. It's got a lot going on in there. It's got a nice little bite afterwards too. Very good sauce. This would be good for chicken strips or on a burger, any kind of sandwich you want to put it on for a sandwich spread, even with onion rings, which I never seem to have available in this house. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.